Kenya's government says Tuesday's International Court of Justice judgment on the country's maritime boundary dispute with Somalia will be a flawed process due to the court's biases and unsuitability to resolve the border row between the two East African nations. The Ministry of Foreign Affairs has urged Kenyans to remain calm before, during and after the delivery of the judgment as the government handles the ramifications. NTV's Seth Olale kicks us off tonight.
Tonight, after the International Court of Justice released a press statement indicating that it would deliver its judgment on the maritime boundary dispute between Kenya and Somalia on the 12th of October 2021, the government has dismissed the decision.
The delivery of the judgment will be the culmination of a flawed judicial process that Kenya has had reservations with and withdrawn from on account not just of its obvious and inherent bias, but also of its unsuitability to resolve the dispute at hand.
Foreign Affairs PS Ambassador Macharia Kamau says Kenya's decision is not only limited to the specific case in question.
As a sovereign nation, Kenya shall no longer be subject to an international court or tribunal without its expressed consent.
Kenya's government insists that the judgment of the court, whichever way, will have significant ramifications on security, political, social and economic dynamics in the region and beyond, a region that is already battling terrorism, conflict and the resultant instability.
In times of tumult and strife, it is Kenya that our neighbors have turned to for leadership, support, peace, and safety.
The government maintains that any dispute between the two neighboring Horn of Africa countries be resolved through amicable negotiations. It is urging Kenyans to remain calm before, during and after the delivery of the judgment, despite the ramifications. Kenya and Somalia are locked in a disputing over 30,000 square nautical miles of territory in the Indian Ocean, which has prospects of vast oil and gas deposits. Seth Olale, NTV.